In this playlist, we are going to have a look at retargeting an existing PolarFire SoC bare metal example project to a new design. Firstly, we will have a look at the PolarFire SoC bare metal project structure. This will include an in-depth explanation of the boards folder. Then we will do a walkthrough demo using the real-time clock example application. Finally, we will retarget a bare metal example application to a new design. To do this, we will create a new board design in Soft Console. We will then generate an updated XML file based on the Icicle Kit reference design using the PolarFire SoC MSS configurator. Then we will create a custom software configuration file. Finally, we will create custom linker scripts. To follow along with these tutorials, you will need to download the Soft Console IDE, as we will download the MSS-RTS-Time Bare Metal example and import it into Soft Console. You will need the Icicle Kit reference design, which is available from the PolarFire SoC GitHub organization. Finally, you will need the PolarFire SoC MSS configurator, which is installed with Libero or available as a standalone tool. You can watch the videos, which are linked in the description below, for help with these steps. In order to follow along with this playlist, you will need an Icicle Kit. You will need to connect your Icicle Kit via the DC power jack at J29. Secondly, you will need to connect your micro USB to the J33 connection for your embedded Flash Pro 6, or you can use the external Flash Pro connection. Finally, you will need a second micro USB connected at J11 to connect your UART ports for the board. You will need all three of these connections in order to follow along with this playlist.